Today, we are going to talk about an organ that is very important to both male and females. Those are human reproductive system. So, for this episode, we will give a brief information about male reproductive system, or we can call it as penis. So, let's hop into this video to understand more. What does male reproductive system have? First, male reproductive system has the root. This is the connection organ between the penis and the wall of abdomen. Second, the penis has the body, or we can call it the shaft. So this part has a cylinder or tube shape. There are three internal structures. They are tissue that are flexible and contain thousands of large space filled with blood when you are sexually provoked. When the penis is filled with blood, it becomes strengthened and rigid, which allows the penis to infiltration during sex. Due to the elastic and loose skins, it allows the penis to change size. The next part is the glans. So the glans is also called at the head of the penis with a cone shape. It is covered by the foreskin, which is the loose layer of the skin. It helps the penis to avoid light physical daily collisions. Both the semen and the urine have the same path, which is connected to each other. The urethra opening is the end of the tube that transfers both semen and urine out of the body, located at the top of the penis. So the glands also contain many sensitive nerves. Some people may experience problems with their foreskin, narrow or long foreskin, which are normal to everyone. However, they need to remove it with a procedure called circumcision. Next part is semen. This is the liquid that contains sperm and keeps the sperm live longer in a different environment. It is expelled through the urethra opening when a man reaches the sexual climax or orgasm. When the penis is erected, the muscle at the bladder blocks the urine from leaving the bladders and only allow the semen to be ejaculated at orgasm. So scrotum. Scrotum is a loose skin that hangs behind the penis. It holds the testicle and keeps them safe from light physical collision. The scrotum is very important for the spermatogenesis process. For the normal condition of sperm to develop, the testis or testicle must be at a temperature slightly cooler than the body temperature. So the scrotum has special muscles that allows it to tighten or relax that move the testis closer to the body of the warmth or far away from the body to cool the temperature. Next part of a penis is testicle. This is an oval shape that are inside the scrotum. Most men have two testicles. It is responsible for making testosterone and sperm production. Epididymis. This is a long and cone-shaped tube that rests on the backside of the testicle. This epididymis is also responsible for maturing sperm. As sperm that emerge from the testis are immature and incapable of fertilization. Contraction drives sperm into the vas deferens during sexual stimulation. So for the structure, internal or inside the penis, we have some parts. First, vas deferens. It is a long and narrow tube that travels from the epididymis to the pelvic cavity. In preparation for ejaculation, the vas deferens carries mature sperm to the urethra. Urethra is a long tube that is carry urine from the bladders outside of the body. It also functions as a pathway for ejaculation in males. Do you know that the quality of the male reproduction system and sperm depend on what we call hormones? So, what are hormones? Hormones are body's chemical substance that travel to tissues or organs and have certain functions that affect our body directly. The most common hormones you may see are melatonin. This is a hormone that produced by pineal gland in the brain. The level of melatonin increases when people are in the dark. This can explain the reason why you are asleep at night. Dopamine. This is a pretty familiar with you than other hormones. Dopamine is produced by the brain. Actually, it is a type of neurotransmitter that released to control your mood, behavior, and memory. Dopamine can be increased by sexual drive or food. Epinephrine, another word for it is adrenaline. Sounds familiar yet? This hormone is usually released into the bloodstream toward the major muscles groups under stressful situations such as heart and lungs, making your body feel less pain when you are injured. Let's get back into the topic. Follicle stimulation hormones, luteinizing hormone, and testosterone are the primary hormones that are involved in the male reproductive system. FSH and LH are produced by the pituitary glands at the brain and also responsible for many other functions of your body. Follicle stimulation hormones is essential for sperm production. Luteinization hormones is necessary for the process of production testosterone, which is important for the process of spermatogenesis. Lastly, testosterone is significant for development of male characteristics such as voice, muscle mass, bone mass, and sex drive. In conclusion, the male reproductive system is made up of internal and external parts. These organs combine to have urinate, have sexual intercourse, and make children. They produce, maintain, and transport sperms and semen. They expel sperms into the female reproductive system. They also produce male hormones.
That's all. See you in the next episode.